my name is Lisa Grace and this is Nailchemy's YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed this video.
Do you like Christmas pudding, Sam?
I do, with lots and lots of cream.
No, you just ruined it.
I don't like custard on it.
Custard.
I like cream.
No, custard. Okay, if you're watching this, this is the battle of the Christmas pudding, Sam. If you're watching this video, please comment below custard or cream with your Christmas pudding. If you comment cream, I'm going to delete your comment. Okay, pop that in the lamp for me, please, Sam. So for our chocolate pudding brown, we are using Underwood. What collection is this from? Something dark. It doesn't say on it.
Hold on.
Something. I know it's the dark something or other. Something.
1 second.
Dark something. It's bugging me. What's it called?
What's it? Underworld.
Yeah. Right. Chuck that out for me, babe. While you're looking for that, I shall continue. I'm using my 8mm liner. Pop a little bit of this on my palette.
It's the Underworld collection.
No, it's not.
So it's the Underworld Midnight Magic. So
it's the Midnight Magic collection?
Yes.
Oh. What collection am I thinking of then? What's the... Will you have a look at all the collections? What have I got in my head? Something about dark...
I don't know.
Right, so I'm using my liner to draw in my smile line. It's bugging me, Sam. There is a collection that is something like the dark...
Are you thinking of a Touch of Darkness
That's
collection?
the one. That's the one. Touch of Darkness. So Underworld is not from Touch of Darkness collection. What was it? Midnight Magic.
Midnight Magic. Oh, that's a nice
Lovely,
brown.
isn't it? Okay, pop that in the lamp for me, please. Okay, pop that out for me. And going with your second coat. So I always use my 8mm just to get right up in these corners. And then I can come in with the bottle to fill the rest in.
I really like this brown. It's
Lovely,
a really
isn't it?
nice
brown. It's a proper brown. It's a true brown. Give that a cure for me, please, Sam. Okay, so we're also going to be using the white Artisan paint, which I've already got some on my palette, so I don't need to get any more on there. I've already got some on my palette. And I'm sticking with the 8mm liner, and I'm also using the stabby end of my dotting tool. I'm sure it has an actual name, not the stabby end, but you know what I mean. Okay, pop that one out for me, please. Okay, so I'm going to do...
See, look, cream.
Dot. What?
You're putting cream on your Christmas pudding.
This is white chocolate custard. Just saying. So these dots are all of varying sizes. I'm going to make this one a little bit bigger. Like that. And then in again with my 8mm liner. I'm going to start in the middle here. Max, shush baby. Just somebody driving down the street. There's no need to be alarmed. It's okay. Okay, connect those up. Okay, so this particular Christmas pudding nail does in fact have cream on it, which I think is disgusting, just saying. It's not right. It's not right at all.
But it's okay.
Okay, so now, don't get me singing again. Bloody earworms. Right, so I'm going to come from here and pull up and connect here, and then we're just going to soften the edges here. These are our little drips of white chocolate custard.
Cream.
White chocolate custard. Very tasty white chocolate. Is there such a thing as white chocolate custard? If there isn't, there should be. Dragon's Den, hello.
Have to watch that well-known cooking programme that's on a Tuesday
No,
night.
that's why I got fat in the first place, babe.
From
Watching
that
all these
well-known-
cooking
yeah.
programmes, and I can't cook, I can't bake, so I just order a takeaway.
See, I like baking. I like it when...
I love baking. Baking does not love me. I am terrible.
Your little one's getting good at it there when she comes to my house.
Good at eating. You bake, I eat. There we go. Oh, look at these cute little drips of white chocolate custard. They're actually making me quite hungry. I want Christmas pudding now. Can I lick your finger? Okay, pop that in the lamp for me, please. Okay, we are going to matte this nail now. So I've got the velvet matte top coat as and when it comes out of the lamp. There we go. Oh, Christmas pudding. Sophie used to sing me oh, bloody smeared that. Sophie used to sing me a nursery rhyme about Christmas pudding. I wonder if she could remember it, you know.
I don't remember a Christmas rhyme about
It
Christmas
was
pudding.
something like Christmas pudding, steaming hot, sprinkle on the sugar, eat the lot. I remembered it. I wonder if she'll remember it. She was in nursery though, so probably not. Okay, that can go in. Full key up, please, Sam. Okay, so we are going to do our
I can actually
holly.
say she did get all of the words right. I've Googled it.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah. It's Christmas pudding, steaming hot, sprinkle it with sugar, eat
There
the
we
lot,
go.
eat the lot.
There we go.
To the theme,
Wow.
to the tune of Frère Jacques.
Frère Jacques, dormez-vous. Does anybody actually know what the lyrics mean? I ain't got a clue. Okay. Ooh,
Ooh.
we are matted. Right, so we are drawing our holly leaves. Is it just a berry? Is it
That's all holly is. Holly berries.
a holly berry? That's what it's actually called, is it? So for the holly berries, we are using Cardinal from the Prophecy range, and for the leaves, we are using Gecko from the Prophecy range. I've not used Gecko yet,
I've been
and I
dying for
am.
it.
Oh no, we did use Gecko
No, we didn't.
on.
No, we didn't.
Yes, we did. We used Gecko on your pinky.
Did we?
Yep, and we matted it, didn't we? Right, so 3 holly berries. Pop that in the lamp for me, please, Sam. So again, I was just using the stabby end from the dotting tool. So done with Cardinal now. So I'm going to get some Gecko on.
Oh, it's gorgeous.
It's so pretty. little bit of gecko on my palettes. It's so nice. Look at that. In fact, I think it's pretty when it's out of focus. Look. Oh.
I would have a full set in that green.
I think these might be my next nails, actually.
What, the gecko?
Yeah. Okay, so holly leaves. Let's zoom in a little bit. Stabby little buggers. I got fluff in my bush. So we're just going to do 2 holly leaves. One coming out from up here. Do people actually put holly on their Christmas puddings? Obviously you're not going to eat it, are you? That's not what it's for.
I think they used to. I think nowadays most of them come with some sort of plastic holly decoration.
Made out of icing or something.
Yeah.
I would be interested to know what the actual purpose of having...
Decoration, and because hollies and the holly berries are a winter... I mean, you can't eat holly berries.
Yeah, so why put it on your Christmas pudding?
To make it look pretty.
Well, you could make it look pretty by putting a slab of chocolate on the top, babe. Not being funny. Why put something stabby on it?
To stop the fatties eating it?
Because, you know, that's like something I would do. I'd go, oh, look at that. That looks yummy. Ouch. Put that in for me, please. Yeah,
But
I
then
don't know.
again, you eat cheese with your mince pies.
Too right, I flipping do.
Gonna have to start using blobbing.
Blobbing. No, flipping. Yeah, cheese and a mince pie. Got to be done.
No, warm mince pie with single or double cream.
No.
Swimming.
No. We're not friends anymore, Sam. Chuck us out now.
Sorry.
Chuck us out now. Let me get it done. Go on, and you can leave. Not friends with you anymore. Cream on your Christmas pudding.
Thing is, I'm going to have to go and get mince pies tomorrow now, and I'm sure they've got them in Tesco's.
I love mince pies. I flatly refuse to eat them until December, though. Because I would eat the whole pack of 6. I really would.
That's the whole point, isn't it? On the 1st of December.
Oh, this is looking mega cute. Right, pop that in. Right, so we're done with our red and our green. However, I'm going to add a little bit of highlights and some lowlights with our black and our white. So I've got me white Artisan paint on my palette already. Just going to get a little bit of black. Still using my 8mm liner brush.
This liner brush is getting some...
I know, I'm getting used today. Okay, pop that out. Right, I've got the teeniest, tiniest, itty bittiest bit of white on my brush, and I'm literally just going to get the top of those berries. I don't even know if you can see that. It's so small. But it's all the little details like this that make it come together. And then with the black, I'm going to add my line down the middle. I'm not going to outline the whole thing. I'm just going to pick up little areas like a shadow, the underside of the holly. Oh, the underside of the holly leaf. Let me get that off. Same again with this one. Get in shot Lisa. There we go. Same again with that one. Straight down the middle. And then a bit of shadowing. Okay, pop that in the lamp for me, please, Sam. So I want to keep the nail matte, so I'm not going to top coat the whole of the nail, but I want my hollyberry and leaves, sorry, glossy. So I'm just going to pop a little bit of this on the back of my thumb.
Dave's going to go mad.
Oh, no, you won't. I bought a coaster. He's not allowed to go mad. I've been using a coaster for the last however many videos. Let me use my thumb this one time. Okay, pop that out. So just a little bit on my brush, and then I can go over and just top coat these bits. And pop that in the lamp for me, please, then. Which cuticle oil would you like? Got melon, coconut, banana, coconut. There we go. Okay, chuck that over here. Little bit of cuticle oil. And there we go. Let me know.
that is so pretty.
Are you happy with that? Let me know what you think, guys, and don't forget to comment below whether you have cream or custard with your pudding.
I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to give us a little thumbs up, hit like on that video, drop any comments that you've got down in the comment section below, and more importantly, make sure you hit subscribe so that you get a notification for all of our future videos. All of the products that I've used today you can find on our website, which is nailchemy.co.uk, and I will see you in the next video.